Edward. Thank you for tuning in to another video on Exchange. In this video we're going to look at checking the size of the log directories, and this works with Exchange 2013, 2016 and 2019 even though it's labeled 2013. To access the PowerShell script you can go to the gallery and look for me, and you can find this. What it basically looks like is a form like this that will give you all the sizes of all the different locations. I have already downloaded the file, so what we can do now is head over to PowerShell, run as administrator, and now we just need to navigate to the directory where I downloaded it to. And now we execute. Okay, so this is a common problem where it's not digitally signed. So what we can do is set execution policy unrestricted, say yes, and now we can run it again, and here's the form live. Now all you need to do is click on get directory size, and as you can see that I have 1.9 gigs on this one, and the others are pretty small, but this is because it's just a test lab. In your environment obviously these will be a lot bigger. If you wanted to check the actual directory, it will take you straight to the logging directory, and this is where Exchange stores all of its log files. In my previous video where we clear out the log files, this is the directory that we're working in mostly, that clears out the log files.